Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Full Tilt Drift. This time we're going to find out if some Dawn dish soap will clean some really greasy automotive work gloves. Alright guys, these are the gloves we're going to be cleaning, and the worst pair is definitely these right here. Old and dirty and wet, kind of greasy, as you can see as it reflects off of it. Those are the worst ones. Those will be the real test. All the other gloves are average levels of dirty, so I'm not too worried about those being clean. We'll start by adding a generous amount of the Dawn dish soap to our bucket. Then we'll fill the bucket up about 3/4 of the way with water. Then we'll go pair by pair, scrubbing the gloves against each other in the water. Last, we'll take the gloves over to the grass for a rinse off. After rinsing them once, we'll wring them out and then rinse them again to make sure they're clean. The really dirty set of gloves could use another wash in the soap, so I'm going to go do that now. For our second wash of the really dirty gloves, we're going to use more soap and new water. We'll give the gloves one last rinse and then let them dry to see how it worked. Look at all that sludge our bucket's collected. That means we know it's working. These gloves are getting clean. Alright guys, here's our final result, and honestly, it didn't work as well as I would have liked it to. Short answer, can you wash these gloves with Dawn dish soap? Yes, and for these 3 pairs that are on top, it did get them a fair bit cleaner because they started off better. But for the gloves on the bottom, like these, that were greasier to start with, it didn't get the majority of it off. These are still pretty gross right now, and I'm not happy with how it turned out. Alright guys, well that didn't work as well as we hoped, but I'm not done yet. If you're still interested in cleaning your gloves, I picked up some Mechanics detergent and I'm going to try that next time. These gloves are expensive, $15 or $20 a pair, and I don't want to keep buying them when they get too gross to use. So I'm going to find a way to clean them. Stay tuned to find out. If you like this video and want to support the channel, please do subscribe and like the video. It would mean a lot, and I'll see you guys next time on Full Tilt Drift.